I think in years to come, they will teach about this case in schools. At least I hope they will. That's because Irwin captured with profound clarity why due process of law matters and what happens when we decide to skip it. I want to talk to you today about wrongful convictions in Jamaica. I'm eager to start that conversation. But that concerns others, and while it is right to think about others, I wanted to start with something that more directly relates to you. Crime. Multiple polls have shown that the biggest concern for Jamaican people is crime. But here's the thing, many of the things that cause wrongful convictions, as we will hear from experts and lawyers and exonerees who will be interviewed on this program, many of the things that cause wrongful convictions, the things that send innocent people to prison, many of those things are the same very things that cause really serious offenders to go